everybody. This is your host Hayden, today on the RC Masters channel. I hope you enjoy this video today. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and go check out our Facebook page. Or, as I'll leave a link in the description, it's just spelt exactly the same. We do a lot of content on here with aircraft at the moment is the main thing. Got a few RC cars. Currently looking at getting boats, but that's going to take a little bit. Go check it out. What we basically cover is just a quick rundown. We cover the basic DIYs. That's what I'm currently doing up here on the ARF, the WildStar 40, and we do repairs or even tips and tricks, or even if you need help with deciding on what you want, because we research things and go through them and make sure they're fine. As hence, a few of the aircraft around here, I've been testing them, reviewing them. You'll have a few reviews videos this week, and yeah, hope you like it. Cheers, guys. Hello, everybody. This is the Electra XP. Now, I have had this out to fly. It doesn't like flying, as it is very, very, very nose heavy. This is an older version that surpasses all the new technology. This is like a dinosaur. These planes, their remotes, you only had the rear rudder and the elevator control, and you had a trigger. You can probably see that red little button to start that brushed motor. Now that brushed motor spins at full speed. You cannot control the throttle. All you have is a throttle cut. Very nose heavy aircraft, as I'm not sure really why it's nose heavy, but I might have to take it apart and have a look from the inside to determine why it's really nose heavy, as it doesn't need to be nose heavy. It's got way too much weight, and that's without a battery. It shouldn't be nose heavy. It should be quite light, but no, it's actually probably heavier than half of the aircraft here, including the turbo timbers, which I don't understand, because it's so small but so jam-packed with probably cable and all that. So I'm going to have a look at it shortly. Stay tuned for that, as the wings not even bolted on, it's just rubber bands crisscrossed. So that's it on the Electra. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.